Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: a good USB cable and an unlocked phone. First, plug the cable into your phone, then the computer. This starts the physical link. Once connected, unlock your phone and, if prompted, choose File Transfer or USB Tethering access so the PC can see the device. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is active because tethering shares that connection. If your PC needs drivers, it may begin installing automatically. Let it complete before moving on. Now you enable the feature. On Android, open Settings, then Network and Internet or Connections. Tap Hotspot and Tethering and toggle USB Tethering. You do this because the phone converts its mobile data into a network interface for the computer. Once toggled, the PC should detect a new Ethernet-like adapter. Make sure the phone stays connected and the screen doesn't time out. If the option is grayed out, verify the cable supports data and the computer finished any driver install. Finally, verify connectivity by opening a web page on your computer. That confirms successful tethering. If it fails, first try a different USB cable or port. Cheap cables often lack data lines. Restarting your phone and computer resets drivers and network stacks, so do that next. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode briefly to reset the phone radio, then re-enable mobile data and USB tethering. Keep an eye on carrier limits and battery. Tethering can consume data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.